lang pala.
Uy, hello! Ayan.
Hello po, ante.
Hello.
That's right.
That's voice.
It's 7:57.
Medyo,
Papunta kami ng... Ano ba?
medyo mura po yung nabili kong boses. Nagloloko pa po siya.
Papunta kami ng Clark Airport. Papunta kami ng... Saan ka pupunta ba eh? Cebu! Fit check! Sama ka ba? Naisipan niya mag-update. Nice. Full fit check yun?
Na-stress na yung...
Ay, nag-ano siya. Update. Updated na daw. Okay, sige. Na-update ko na.
Ganun ba yung ina-update kahit hindi naman
Dapat kasi na-update.
hinihingi? Ikaw naman.
Geng. Ako lang geng.
Uy, Marv!
Saan tayo punta?
Hindi ka na. We're at the airport. It's 8:22. 9:30 yung flight namin. Kakababa lang namin ng car. And here we're walking. Para makapag-check-in kami. Hello. We're in Cebu. First meal in Cebu. We have cheeseburgers, fries, and drinks. Sa Ayala kami. In front of Cebu Mercado. Check in at our Airbnb. Makulit siya. Makulit yan siya. This is the outfit.
Where?
Sa isa pang cap from Rondiwa, Uniqlo, Beyond the Vines, Uniqlo, and Renegade.
Natulong.
Naghihintay kami ng Grab. Kasi umulan. Umulan na naman. And Cebu. So, we're waiting. We're walking to Cebu Mercado. Kasi malapit lang yung Airbnb na. And now, ayan, malapit na kami.
Hindi sila marunong.
Wala ko eh.
So, are you happy?
Very good. Okay, next one.
We're getting tanghulo. I love tanghulo. Hello! Kamukha mo si Popo! Ay! Ay! Ang picture!
Pakitaas naman para sa mga matatang.
We're going to meet some friends. On the way na daw sila.
Ano ba?
Oo.
Ito,
Ilang bumukas, hindi nakuha.
Maluwag na naman yung ano.
Ma, nasa TV na.
We're in tightrope. We're ordering food. Hi, Regina!
No, there's one more guy. Just one more guy.
where's their washroom?
Oh yeah. I need to run that.
Taste muna.
Almost done.
I think I want din eh.
I was supposed to.
Hello, we're at Ayala Mall. It's 1 p.m. 1:30.
1:30.
Yes. We're killing time. Hi guys, it's 6:06. We're going out to dinner kasama ulit sila Regina. We're going to Nonki. Japanese food.
Parang pagtuturo pa lang. Gusto ko yung...
We're in Nonki.
American go na.
We have sake. Sake. A lot of food.
It's just kind of warm on the throat.
The owner is Japanese actually.
Oh, really?
And then we have one traditional Japanese.
Hello.
Alright!
Alright! Welcome back!
Welcome back!
Mag-i-empake na kami.
Ladies and
Mag-i-empake na kami. It's... Ano oras na?
gentlemen.
It's 9:53. We're leaving before 11. Kaya sasakay kami ng bus to Hagnaya Port ng 11 p.m. Hindi pa kami nag-ayos ng gamit. Bad route. Geng, geng.
Alright!
Ayun yung gamit namin sa Gedli. Ayan. Hi guys. So we're almost leaving. Pero hindi ko napakita yung Airbnb namin. So, this is the toilet and bath. They have a shower. Pero hindi ata gumagana yung hot water. Which is, nakalagay naman sa listing that they don't have hot water. Paalis na kami actually. Kaya, and then I forgot to tour you. So we have a ref. We have utensils, rice cooker, and everything. It's pretty clean. Ayan. We have a TV, the bed, my lamps. Then there's tables and chairs. Oh, we also requested an extra mattress because it's the 3 of us. And this is our view outside. So, malapit lang kami sa Sugbo Mercado. As in, nasa IT Park kami. And then, this room is like 1.5 per night. It's pretty cheap para sa IT Park. So, we're leaving. It's almost 11 p.m. Ay! Grabe yung... Ayun.